It's the emergency.
Driver called out. All right, boss. It's on you. Hey guys, welcome back to NEMT Van Talks. I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Monica.
And we are the owners of an NEMT business based here in California. And guess what? Today, we are taking you along with us to
do a special trip.
What makes this trip so special?
It's special because we have people watching us do this trip this time. So it's just not like us. We have some ride-alongs, right?
You guys are coming along with us to do a trip?
Yes,
Let's go.
Did they stop?
No.
Oh, so it's intentional.
They did it on purpose.
You ready, Mo?
I'm ready. Oh, let's go. So jolly.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. MJ is coming to save the day.
Girl, you remember when we did that video?
Yes.
That Christmas video.
So we are pulling up on St. Jude Medical Plaza to pick up our client. Client had a scheduled pickup time of 10:30.
And Jasmine has me late by 1 minute.
1 minute.
Well, you know, this client is very punctual. She like for us to be on time all the time.
Why were we late though? Tell them why we were late.
Well, we had a
Tell them why we were late.
we had a business call and we were trying to get some information for you all. How do you
Exactly.
And it was a successful call. I mean, it's a valid reason for us to be late.
No,
But
no, it's
half
not,
of the
because that ain't got
time-
nothing to do with the client, so don't try to.
No, but it was because you kept talking like
I know.
like
The conversation was good.
it was like, God.
Trying to bring y'all some resources, okay?
And that's a good resource too. I think it's a good resource.
I think so too.
Now she got me bobbing and weaving.
This client is gonna be out here
Ooh, looking
sitting, waiting.
for 2 minutes.
Or maybe she not out here. Cause she said if she's not ready by 10:30, then she's willing to pay the wait time. Oh look, that's a new transportation company. Who is that? What did it say? Monarch? Coach?
Girl, I'm just trying to make sure this lady is not out here waiting. Like,
Coach Transportation. Move, lady. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the... See, look. If I wanted to market our services, I would have stopped this lady right here.
right here.
Look like she's a discharge coordinator. I would have stopped her and I would have gave her our brochure business card. But look, Coach Transportation.
Move, Coach
You know what?
Transportation.
I recall seeing them before. It looks like, I think they added on more vehicles.
I never heard of them before. It looked new.
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go now.
I mean, the client's not outside though, so.
I think she's in the window looking at you.
Oh, really? Let me be cool. Let me be cool.
Was that her? Was that her? Was that her?
No, that's not her.
Oh, we cool. We good. We good. We good. We good. We good. What she said about wait time?
She said she would pay for wait time if she's not out here by 10:30. Let's call dispatch and see if dispatch could
Hold on, let me.
call her really quick.
Oh, they bailing you?
Or do you have her phone number?
I absolutely do not.
Mm-mm.
Let me look at the app though. It's probably in the app. Oh, look at Rite Aid.
Oh, look, Rite Aid. See, y'all, look. This is another transportation company we pulling through at St. Jude. Hey.
What's up, Rite Aid? Let's see who's good.
Let's see who's getting out.
Well, he look mean. I'm gonna need for him to.
Bro. Okay, y'all, look at him. We spying.
See what he doing.
Call the client, call the client, call the client. You got the number?
Yeah, I found it on the app. I got it on the app.
Okay, so the client had, I don't know if I'm in frame, I hope so. But the client had a scheduled pickup for 10:30. Client is aware if we got here at 10:30, they're not outside, then the clock starts to
ticking.
Tick. So,
fine.
So she will be charged wait time because she not ready.
And she gonna be like, and I was doing
Hello.
no worries. Bye-bye.
Oh, look at this. So this is why we tell you guys that full cut vans are the best, because this particular wheelchair that this guy is pushing into the van, it reclines. So if you just had like a side entry van, chances are you would not be able to accommodate this type of client.
You don't want.
Look at him, he looking over here. You think he saw the camera, girl? Oh well. Let's see how he did. He put the restraints on there?
Good. We came back looking the same. Ready?
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you. I got it.
Okay. Forget. All right, you're welcome. Take care of yourself, okay?
I promise I will.
All right.
Better.
No more falling.
Tell Jasmine bye. Till next time.
We love you.
Okay.
The sun is really out.
Yeah.
Do I have to share my tip?
Yes, you do.
Why?
$10 for me.
Girl, bye. You ain't do nothing.
You can't drive.
Whatever. I drive better than you.
No, you don't.
I need the GPS. I needed to go to the next trip. Where am I going?
To the office.
Wait, I'm going the wrong way.